Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, we have a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. So I am going to go ahead and open up this box so we can see what we got. I do want to say thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate it. And welcome to all of my new subscribers. I hope that you are enjoying my channel as well. And let me go ahead and move my packing slip. And if you are currently watching and you believe you like what you see, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. So we have a couple of goodies in here. I am going to take them out of the box and unwrap them. So we're going to get this box out of the way. Let's see where I can put it. All right, so you all have already seen this cutie pie in the color fuchsia. It was featured in the month of October and the hashtag of Pink for DJ King. In that video, I did include on the screen, there was a watermark on that fuchsia bag along here. So when I returned it, they did not still have the fuchsia available, so I got the red. So we're going to open the red and inspect it, and hopefully it is water stain or spot free as well. So I will go ahead and start off with this cutie pie. I did include this on my community post when I first saw these on the I Love Dooney website. If you all have seen my previous videos, then you know that I got hooked on bitsy bags earlier in the year. So it went from one bitsy bag to I have not counted since then, but I think they are the cutest and timeless. So this one is a black bitsy bag. That is the code for ostrich. This was 54 of 95 and has a ship or date of August 6, 2024. I don't even think that I noticed these online until I've actually posted that, which it's been, I don't know if it's been a month ago as of yet or not. But this color, of course, with it being a solid color, stood out to me the most. And it is indeed black. I don't recall these being on the Dooney website. So since it has a ship or date of August, I'm kind of interested to know where they were available during that time. And let me go ahead and untape the straps. And you all comment, let me know if you all have a bitsy bag collection, or if it's a bag that you've been thinking about adding to your collection as well. I think they are so cute, and they hold the essentials, should I say. It's definitely a light carry bag for you to not have too much, but like I said, just the essentials that you need. It's a very cute date bag, or if you maybe just going out really quickly to the store or movies, whatever. It's a light bag that you can carry as a top handle or with the shoulder strap or crossbody strap as well. And what I usually do is add my own crossbody strap to it as well, if I do want to add more color to accessorize the bag. So inside it is stuffed, which is good. It does come with a dust bag. It has the beautiful red signature Dooney and Bourke interior. It has the Dooney and Bourke authentication label there under the key leash. Slip pocket here on the front. And then a zipper compartment here on the back. Registration card inside. Slip pocket in front of that. And the Dooney and Bourke leather patch there as well. So I will include the measurements for this bag on the screen as well. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to undo the strap. Because when I carry it, more than likely, like I said, I'm going to add my own strap to it. Even if it is another black strap, it'll be wider. Or just carry it by the handles itself. And the handles are just solid leather. The only portion of the bag that has the ostrich embossment is just the body, the feet, the base of the bag, and the bottom here. It has the ostrich embossment. But I thought that was very cute to add to the Bitsy collection with it being solid black. A lot of Bitsy bags, or should I say most of them that I've seen, unless it's Saffiano, it has a brown trim or a different color trim here at the bottom. And the handles as well. So, this is the black one in the ostrich print. And of course it has this double zip to it as well, which is another cute feature, along with the beautiful leather pull tabs. Just giving you close-ups of it and a 360. All right, so let's get to this lily bucket back here, y'all. And I have my fingers crossed that it is stain and spot and scratch free, because I do not feel like returning it. So let's see. The way that it's wrapped kind of has me skeptical already. All this tape. I don't see a shortcut to opening it without undoing all this tape. So, since instead of doing all that tape, I'm just going to go here in the center, because there's not going to be I won't be able to save the bag in case it's not, because of all the tape on the bag. So, I'm creating my own shortcut. Okay, the handle is, our strap is wrapped, so that's a good sign. And who doesn't love a red in the Florentine leather? I surely do. So that's why this was an option when the fuchsia was no longer available. Okay, so this is the label. It says Red Lily Bucket. It does have 1 of 1 with a ship or date of October 30th, 2024. And let's get to inspecting, y'all. Okay, I don't see any water spots or stains or anything. Trying to look at it from all angles. Looks like that's a scratch there. It's funny how different angles you can see a scratch, but when I had the bag like this, I couldn't see it. But as soon as I turned the bag downwards and looked at it from this angle, I can see it. Let me know if you all can see that. The camera will stay in focus. It's probably trying to focus there. Okay. No, it's going in and out of focus, but let me know if you all can see that right there. What do you all think so far? Are these acceptable scratches? What is that? It looks like glue or food. I'm scared to scratch it off. How you gonna send me a Florentine with a mole on it, y'all? Looks like a mole or something. I can't tell if that's in the leather or if that's something that needs to come off of the leather. Me and these lily buckets, we're not having much luck, should I say. Is it too much to ask for perfect Florentine? It's so pretty, but it's just delicate at the same time. This is a mystery to me. I don't know what that is. If y'all know what that is, let me know. Doesn't that look like a pimple? Or a mole or something? So, I don't know what to think about this one. I'll just say I'm not gonna unwrap the handle. How about that? I thought I would have a better chance for red. I don't want to get black because black Florentine is safer. But I don't really need another black bag. In this particular silhouette, I wanted a different color. I thought about getting the ecru which is like a pretty off-white, light grayish color. But now, y'all, I don't know. I might need to give it up on trying to get a lily bucket. Because I really thought this one was going to be flawless, was my expectations. But I don't know what's going on, y'all. Let me know in the comments if you all would keep it so far with what you've seen, or if you would return or exchange it for another one, or what you would do. Since I've already unstuffed and given a tour of the fuchsia bag, I'm not gonna unstuff this one. I don't recall the zipper being black in the fuchsia one, but it does have a slip pocket in front of the zipper pocket, the Dooney and Bourke leather patch there, the authentication label with the key leash there, and the equestrian strap is one of my favorite features of the bag as well. And then in the front, a slip pocket and then a smaller slip pocket. So, y'all, I would like to know what you think. Do you think that I should exchange or return this bag? I can't exchange it. You know how Dooney and Bourke is. Should I return it and just order another one? Try the same color or try a different color again? Or what? What would you all do? I really would like to know. Looking forward to reading you all's comments. I hope you enjoyed this video and unboxing and unwrapping of the lily bucket in a different color. And the ostrich bitsy bag in the color black. Oh, it's just too much, y'all. It's too much. It's too many little flaws to try to excuse that I don't want to excuse. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Let me try counting them. Then I'll feel better and know I'm not just being too dramatic about it. So I see 1, 2. Those 2 scratches I won't count. And then it's like a splatter splash through here. So that'll be 3, 4, discoloration on the little strap here. So that's 5. The bottom I try not to count, but that's 6. I'm counting it anyway. The mole on the back, 7. A little spot there, that's 8. These scars, 9. I'll count that one as 10, even though it's on the back. But I'm looking forward to see what y'all think. If y'all would keep this bag, or if you two would return it as well due to the flaws. And then I didn't even see this one up here. This is like a groove line in the leather. I know how Florentine is, and you absolutely have to be careful with it, but I'm just not liking receiving Florentine with flaws in it, and I don't even have the chance to add my own scratches and stains to it. So let me know what you all think. I look forward to seeing you all's comments. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, you all have a very wonderful day.